This exam application tutorial is on the topic of transport. The question is, explain how water in the soil is transported to the leaves of a plant. 6 marks. This is actually quite an easy question, but if you don't get the start right, it becomes very fiddly. So the 3 areas you need to divide your answer into are, firstly, explain how water leaves a leaf, then explain how water enters the roots, and explain how the water entering the roots replaces water lost from the leaves. So firstly, water leaves the leaf through a process called transpiration. This is just simply evaporation from the leaf, largely through the stomata. So you can see as air passes over the leaf, water molecules leave through transpiration. This creates a vacuum in the leaf, or a suction in the leaf. This will draw water from the xylem. So water in the xylem replaces water lost from the leaf. And you can see that happening here. And you can see that column of water starts to shift upwards. So now we have a vacuum at the base of the xylem, and this draws up water from the roots. So we can now see that water is entering the xylem from the roots. So now we have a lower concentration of water in our root cells. So water moves into the roots by osmosis, replacing the water lost. So we can see we have more water outside in the soil, so it moves into the roots by osmosis. We effectively have set up a system where we have a continual flow of water as a solid column, like liquid being sucked through a straw. So this creates a transpiration stream. That would cover all 6 marks.